Hello there and good day guys. So welcome back again to my YouTube channel, and right now we are on this website, the Glitching.ai, because today we are going to make a unbiased or honest review about this website. So the first thing we need to do is to know what is this website about. So this is a dropshipping automation platform, and if you're considering using this tool for your e-commerce business, stay tuned as we dive into its features, pros and cons, so you can decide if it's right for you. So this is an AI-driven dropshipping platform that automates product sourcing, listing, pricing, and order fulfillment across multiple e-commerce stores. So the next thing we need to do is to log in or sign in with your account. So we can get started here by clicking on this one, and then you just need to sign in with Google or your email and password. And then after that one is you just need to wait for a little bit because it may take some time, but after that one is you will be redirected to the dashboard of this Glitching AI. As you can see here, you can go to the dropshipping course, and then after that one is you will be able to see here the features of the Glitching AI website. So as you can see here, the glitch mode, and then the AI product finder, the product pages, the ads, and then the digital products. So right here guys is you'll be able to join Discord or connected to the Shopify. And then here guys, the dashboard here, you'll be able to see here the first part is this one, find products, and then AI product finder, where this is for the Shopify connected. And then this AI scans hundreds of suppliers to find winning products based on real-time market trends. And this one is once you find a product, the platform can automatically generate and post product listings across your connected stores. For example, to that is this one. And then here guys, and the downside of this website is you need to avail a plan because there is no free plan on this website. So some features is limited because you just need to apply or avail a premium plan, because in this website there is no free plan unlike other websites. So in this part guys, you can import from AliExpress. Here you can see here you can paste products pages URL here, and then there will be instruction on how to import products from AliExpress or import from Amazon. Here you'll be able to see here the steps. Then after that one guys is here same with the AliExpress, and then let's go here to the save products guys. Then you'll be able to see you don't have any products, so you can try to import or find a product here. So here is the next part is generate with AI. So in this part guys, I found this with this scalability, it integrates with multiple platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, the Amazon, and can easily scale our business. And then again guys, this feature needs to avail a premium plan, which is not so good because as just like me, I want to try a free plan, but they don't have a trial plan. So and these guys in this part, they will suggest if you want to start the tutorial just like this.
Simply save a product from glitching.
And then you can exit that one if you don't like to continue it. And then after that one guys is here on this learn and grow, and then find products. There are some of it that is really not usable because of its availability of a premium plan. And then here guys, you'll be able to see here the different sections. And then for me, it's the platform provides data-driven product, and then which can help you find profitable niches faster. So if you have a premium account guys, this is very useful. So we all know that no platform is perfect. So for example to that is the price. So Glitching AI is really expensive, so especially if you're just starting out in the dropshipping. And the AI limitations, while the AI is smart, it can still miss out on the specific products or trending items in certain categories. And then when it comes to the supplier network guys, I think it is somewhat limited to the suppliers available on the platform. And just like you, if you're looking for custom or more exclusive product, this could be a challenge. And then, again guys, here you'll be able to see here the features. And here, let's talk about the pricing. So Glitching AI offers different tiers ranging from a basic plan for beginners to more advanced option for seasoned dropshippers. So while the features are packed, the higher tier plans might not be accessible for everyone. And then here on this side guys, you'll be able to see here the information about this website. And then so you will be able to know here if Glitching AI is really for you. If you're an e-commerce store owner looking to automate and scale your business, this platform could be a game changer. But however guys, for complete beginners or those with a tight budget, it might be a bit overwhelming or costly. So to sum it all up, I think Glitching AI is a powerful tool with robust automation features that can save your time and potentially increase your profits. But the price tag and AI limitations might be a deal breaker for some. So ultimately, it's a great choice if you're looking to take your dropshipping business to the next level. But again guys, you can still, if you cannot afford this type of website, you can still make a manual dropshipping. If you found this helpful guys, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more unbiased reviews and e-commerce tips. So here is the last part. They provide some questions and then answers. So let me know in the comments guys if you have any questions. And this is my honest review about this website. And then again, if you will go back here, you'll be able to see here, go to the dropshipping course. And then here is also connected to the other website. And then they will be suggesting here, welcome to Glitching. And then here are the different kinds of the app that you can be used. For example, to that is the TikTok organic, the Facebook ads, the email and SMS market, the customer support, and then the digital product, the Google ads. And then if we scroll up again, we'll be able to see here the product selection introduction. And it's up to you if you want to start this course. So this is a dropshipping course. And then here again guys, is you can also connect this onto your Discord. They will give you a code, I think. And it's up to you if you wanna be with them. And this is my unbiased review guys of this website, the Glitching AI. So please subscribe and like this video.